Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I made this really cute little Valentine tree with very minimal supplies. So I'd like to welcome you back if you've been a subscribing member, and for all the new members I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and I'm really thankful for everything, for all of you that you have done to help my channel to grow. So let's get started with this pretty little Valentine tree that's going to cost you probably less than $10 to make. So what we need for supplies to make that wreath is a cone, and I got my cone. It is 11.8 inches by 4.3 inches. And I couldn't find my cone at the Dollar Tree, so I had to get it at another dollar store where I live. So I have that, and then I got the garland at the Dollar Tree. I thought this was really pretty for Valentine's Day, and it is 9-foot tinsel garland, and it's in the pretty pink, the light pink color. So that's that, and there's the skew for that if you're looking for it. And I'm going to use some greening pins. I think I got these at Michael's quite some time ago, and that's what they are. And I'm just gonna stick it into the cone, and I might use some hot glue. I've got it ready here in case I need to. I'm going to put on some lights, and I did get these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought they were pretty, and that's in the pretty light pink as well. And for the top, I'm using the little hearts off of the headband, and I thought that was really pretty, and I can make use of that. So those are our supplies, and maybe some ribbon I've got here. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. So to get started, I'm taking my tinsel here, and I have a greening pin that I've started. I pushed it in there, and I'm going to push it in nice and snug, and I'm going to go all the way around, keeping it as close to the bottom as possible, and adding a greening pin every so often as I go along, just to get it started. And just keep going around. Using the greening pins as I go. Until we get to where we started again. And then I'm just going to inch my way up and go all the way around, just putting in a greening pin as often as I think that I'm going to need it. And I'm going to see how that looks as I go up the cone. So that used the whole 9 feet of that tinsel, and isn't that pretty? So now I'm going to put on the lights, and we'll see how they look. So we want to keep the battery pack at the bottom. Put you down a bit. And then we're going to just put our lights around. And I could also hook that in, a little greening pin in, to hold that as well, just to hold the lights in place. And this is great because there hasn't been any glue needed for this project. So that's looking really cute. So now I'm going to work on the top. So now this little headband at the back, it has a little spring behind each one of the little hearts. So I just pulled that a little bit, and now you can unwind this piece of Chanel stem that's attached and holding the heart onto the little headband. You can just unwind that all the way around to get our little heart off of this headband here. So then I just took my little wire cutters and I just cut off the top of the heart off of the wire. And so then I've placed it right at the very top. And now I have some little glitter hearts, also in the pink. And I'm going to just maybe hot glue some of these all in and around a little bit. And I think that's going to be really pretty. So we'll do that next. So I'm just going to hot glue just a few of these little hearts on, not too many, just a few. And I think that's going to look pretty cute. Just here and there. Around the front, I think, mostly I will. And I think that's looking really cute. So that was a pretty inexpensive Valentine idea, I think. The cone was the most expensive part on my part because this particular cone cost me $2.99 where I had to buy it. But the garland was $1.50 and the little hearts are $1.50 and I didn't use them all, and the lights were also $1.50. So, oh, and the headband. The headband was $1.50 and I only used one of the hearts. So that was pretty cheap project to make. So I think with everything included, with the greening pins, the few of them that was used, with the little bit of hot glue that was used, and the additional items that I had to use, I think you could probably make this for $10 or under. So I hope you'll give it a try, and I really think it's cute. I really like the pretty pink instead of the red all the time for Valentine's Day. So if this is something you like and would like to give it a try, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment and tell me if you would like to make one. And share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember to be kind. And thanks so much for watching. Bye now.